my friends, welcome back. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Behind my shoulders you see the atmosphere, the powerful atmosphere of a desert, and it's the main features of one of the most fascinating country. And I'm talking about Saudi Arabian, and I'm gonna cover and release the main features of these outstanding works they brought to Biennale 2024. It's choral work. It's a women team, and it's absolutely a declaration of freedom and of power coming from more than 1,000 women from different different cities all over Saudi Arabia. I'm gonna be more specific, otherwise you can't understand anything. So the team is composed by the curatorial, the artists that are the most relevant art leading figures in Saudi Arabian. Manal AlDowayan is a leading Saudi Arabian artist that put together all these thoughts, voices, materials, and the concept is absolutely wonderful. They want to give voice to the 1,000 women they interviewed, they collected voices, they interact with, and put all the messages on these petal rows. Because can you remember when we were studying here in Italy science, and they asked us to take a look on the minerals, and one of the most fascinating minerals, and then I learned almost everything about it, was the desert rose. And that are the petals of the desert rose, in which on the surface of which they rewrite the different thoughts they collect. Is absolutely wonderful. Foreign Everywhere is the title of the concept of these editions of Biennale Arte. As you can see from the press kit they sent me, this is the preparation of the installation, where they met more than 1,000 women all around Saudi Arabian, then to collect thoughts, takes, opinions, and then to transfer on the silk and the different materials they use to showcase the concept of this pavilion. I remind you that this national pavilion, Saudi Arabian Pavilion, is in Arsenale, and you can dive and surf on Biennale site or Saudi Arabian site, and you will find all the information you need. And what else? Yeah, definitely it has been really a nice journey to examine and to overview this the press package, and I hope to see you again. And I ask you to give me a thumbs up, because as a woman I need a support, me as well, with little things, so you can be also a subscribe and a buttons up. Keep on staying tuned. The Italian Way, Simona Cochi. Ciao.